Hello students, first of all I would like to welcome you all to Don Bosco PU College and I wish you all the best. As all of you know, the whole world is hit by the coronavirus pandemic, and in this uncertain situation it is important that learning continues even if it cannot happen in person. That's why Don Bosco PU College is providing online education to our students, which involves live classes, recorded classes, online assignments, and even the mentoring system to take care of the individual students. So in this video, we are going to learn how exactly you can watch the videos, attend the live classes, and submit the assignments. First of all, you need to know the names of college websites. The college hosts two websites. One is Don Bosco PU College Chitradurga.com, and it is used for first years as well as JEE, NEET and CET coaching. Another one is dbpuccta.in, and it is used for second years. Now let's discuss about the steps to be followed to log into your college website account. So in the very first step, you need to have any one of the web browsers, either Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So as you can see, I am using Mozilla Firefox web browser, and in this address bar, you have to type the name of the website. The home page of the website appears like this if you are browsing it on laptop or the desktop, and if you are using phone or tab, the home page will appear like this. And for the menu, you have to click these three lines. Upon clicking these three lines, you will get to see the menu. So after you log in by using the correct username and password, the page will appear like this. Here you can see your username, and here you will see different menus, and you have to take this online classes and you have to choose the correct combination. For example, I am going to choose PCMB here. So after choosing your combination, you will see a page like this where you will find recorded videos assigned to different days of the week. I'll take the example of Monday, and here biology online class has been assigned, so you have to click over that. The next thing, you will find two recorded videos of each subject per day, and after watching this recorded video, there will be one test, which means an assignment will be there, and it will carry 10 marks. So you have to click over this daily test questionnaire link, and to see this page, first of all you need to log in through your Gmail account, and here there are some personal information. You have to enter your name, then choose your combination, then multiple choice questions will be there. You have to choose the correct answer, and then finally you have to submit your responses. Now I'll tell you how to join the live classes. On the same page you will see some information related to the live class. We are conducting the live classes using Zoom app, so you have to download this Zoom app from the Play Store. On the college website provides complete information of the Zoom live class, like who is going to take the class and on what topic the class will be, and the time at which the class will be conducted. You will also find the meeting ID and passcode on the page, and you have to visit the college website every day so that you can get the meeting ID and passcode, because this meeting ID and passcode will change for every class. So the home page of the Zoom app will appear like this, and you have to click on this join, and on the same page of the recorded video you will find information related to the Zoom class. You have to enter here the meeting ID, which is 2798220452. Then click on the join. Next, it will ask for the passcode, meeting password you have to enter. That will also be provided on the same page. So you have to enter the passcode here. So once you are done with this, you can watch the live class and you can interact with the teacher also. In this video, we learned how to log into your account using college website, and how to watch the recorded videos, how to watch the live classes, and how to submit the assignments. If you have any other doubts regarding this, you can leave your queries in the comment section, and also you can call the college helpline number. Thank you.